competitive pace is unattainable compared to Tesla's. The business has been successful in churning out a consistent stream of high-quality services and products which have won both customers and detractors. In fact, Tesla has been so effective at it that it's challenging to find a business that can equal their level of production efficiency and quality assurance. For today's video, we'll discuss the industries in Texas, Fremont, Shanghai, and Berlin. How can these four car-making facilities manage themselves to achieve a high rate of production if they genuinely devoted to producing cars? Let's find out. But before that, welcome to Investor Facts, where you may learn about investing and how to make the best financial decisions for your life. Make sure to click the subscription button and enable the notification bell if you haven't already. Share, like, and comment. Tesla's first factory is called Giga Fremont Factory. Since its takeover in 2010, it has served as the site for the initial assembly of Tesla's vehicles. Fremont will become the nation's most efficient auto plant in 2021. The plant produced an average of 8,550 electric cars per week, or approximately one car every 71 seconds, according to statistics from Bloomberg magazine. According to Tesla, its factory in California can now build new car on an average every 57 seconds. Elon Musk recently sent an email to his team in which he confidently expressed his congratulations on their accomplishments. I would like to say congratulations to the Berlin team for making almost 1,000 cars last week, and the Fremont team for setting an all-time increased production day last week. This really is an excellent stuff. Giga Shanghai. The Shanghai Gigafactory in China is Tesla's first overseas production facility. The production cycle is sustainably faster than it was at the Fremont factory. We can still have the same molding, welding, coating, and assembly businesses, as you can see in this photograph, yet everything is now completed in one structure. Additionally, it was recently announced that Tesla would construct a new factory in Shanghai with a production capacity of 450,000 vehicles annually, bringing the total number of vehicles manufactured in China to close to 1 million annually. The pandemic, unfortunately, significantly hampered the operation of the existing facility, forcing it to shut its doors numerous times. Gigafactory Berlin. We are currently moving to Berlin, the location of Tesla's second international factory. The Model Y performance is the primary emphasis of the facility, which opened in March. With a goal of producing 500,000 automobiles in a year, Giga Berlin was expected to achieve production rate of 2,000 units per week in April, following its debut. Additionally, neither Tesla or other automakers had it easy due to the settings of war in Ukraine. But on October 1st, everything changed. In a single week, Giga Berlin was able to manufacture 2,000 Model Ys, according to the company's official statement. This was a crucial milestone for the American company, which is stepping up production to fulfill consumers' demands with just 2,000 automobiles each week. The Model Y will also be produced at Giga Texas, in addition to well-known Cybertruck. Currently, it is projected that 7,000 cars are produced each week. However, the goal is to produce 500,000 cars each year, model by model. Giga Texas will be capable of producing an electric vehicle every 63 seconds if it achieves this rate. Once the initial production phase is complete, the factory will be able to make more than 1 million electric vehicles annually, such as the Model Y and Cybertruck, and will be capable of producing one vehicle less frequently than once every 30 seconds. What do other producers do to increase their level of competition? Let's first explain the true purpose of Tesla's Gigafactories before moving on. The Gigafactory's mystery. In essence, everything is in the concept. The space hardware and technologies that Tesla requires are provided by Gigafactory. It is a factory, but it's more than that. It enables quicker production and does away with the extra expense of sending components to several sites for assembly. For instance, the corporation wants to achieve complete autonomy in the upcoming years so that it can manufacture more quickly and satisfy an increasing demand. Additionally, Elon Musk had previously said that the Gigafactory was the true product of Tesla. We've learned that the underlying issue, the true challenge, and the area with the most potential is constructing the machine that makes the machine, Elon Musk stated. Elon Musk added, Although in reality, we're going to attempt to build an automobile by ordering a number of items from a catalog, exactly like we do with the car. We made all of those individual elements either ourselves or by working with vendors to build the car the way it should be. When creating the machine maker's factory, I believe the same method should be used before there is essentially nothing in a Model S that isn't in any other automobile. The Giga Press. The Giga Press is one of the primary characteristics of Gigafactories. They exist in old auto factories that test automobiles. IDRA Group, an Italian company, manufactures these large molding machines. They make it possible to substitute stamped and welded parts with a single, sizable, molded element. Worried about the environment? AI is reducing energy consumption. To lower its energy usage, the company has used artificial intelligence. Tesla stated this project in Nevada. The AI was able to operate 195 interconnected HVAC system, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning units, totaling 6 megawatts of electrical load through the analysis of 6 years' worth of data. The plant saves a lot of energy as a result of this. This system will be extended to other gigafactories when it becomes functional at the Nevada plant. How about other producers? How did Toyota's, Volkswagen's, and Tesla's production levels and process compare? Toyota and Volkswagen are two of the leading automakers in the world. They clearly have a higher production capacity than Tesla. Although the two manufacturers' products are more diverse and they have more decades of experience, they still have both electric and thermal cars available, and it's fascinating to see how they operate. In 2018, the German manufacturer produced 8.3 million vehicles, a low figure compared to the company's target of 2021. A record-breaking production year saw 11 million vehicles generated, or just over 30,000 each day, or around once every 2.9 seconds. Volkswagen also operates 70 car-producing facilities worldwide, giving them a capacity of 157,000 vehicles annually per facility. Volkswagen, for instance, invested roughly $1 billion in 2019 to improve the efficiency and sustainability of its production system. When compared to its potential production capability of 10 million vehicles annually, the Japanese automaker manufactured only 7.5 million of the approximately 10.5 million automobiles it supplied globally in 2021. Toyota has 67 plants with a total capacity of 149,000 vehicles per year, or one every 3.15 seconds. TPS, which has transformed the automobile sector, the group claims that by concentrating on small manufacturing runs and only producing when customers ask for it, Toyota has created a level of adaptability and responsiveness that remains the benchmark for the rest of the sector. As a result, it may produce less waste and be greener while still providing customers with products of high quality, dependability, and longevity. Lastly, keep the magnitude orders the same and compare similar to similar. Take the largest Toyota plant, which is situated in Kentucky. It has an annual production capacity of 550,000 automobiles and covers an area of 836,000 square meters. In a facility that is 400,000 square meters in size, Giga Texas can produce 500,000 electric vehicles annually. You can see how optimized Tesla's automobile production is by looking at this. Now, what's your opinion on Tesla's Gigafactory production? Would the rivals be able to achieve these production levels? Feel free to comment with your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.